Hey everyone, welcome back. Uh, so last time we had started this week the worksheets for fractions, and we have completed the worksheets for addition and subtraction of fractions. This time we are going to see how to multiply and divide a fraction. Okay, it's the rule is quite simple. What I'm going to do is starting of the worksheet, this image wala thing I'm not going to go into detailed, okay, because this is not needed for us. This is something that is needed in lower standard, so I don't want to waste time on it. But if you want, you can do it. What I'm going to do is directly go here, how to multiply two fractions. So this is the fraction that we have to multiply. So there we have to multiply 1 by 5 by 4. So 4 into 1 by 7. What is the step? 1. Convert the whole number into a fraction. This is a whole number, right? 4 is a whole number. Uske niche kuch nahi, it's not in a numerator and denominator form. 1 by 5 is a fraction. How is first written? एक तो उसको multiply बोलते हैं 4 times. Times is also multiplication. So if someone says 2 times 3, so 2 into 3. Always remember. So times matlab multiplication. Times matlab multiply. So first convert the number into fraction. तो ऊपर 4 था, तो वो 4 by 1 बनेगा. If there is nothing down, it always becomes 4 by 1. So सिर्फ 10 रहेगा. तो 10 can also be written as 10 by 1. Okay. Now write the number as 4 by 1 into 1 by 5. ये 4 को मैंने क्या लिखा? 4 by 1 into 4 by 5. Now multiply the numerators. यहाँ पे 4 और 1 है. 4 into 1 will become 4. And 1 into 5 will become 5. So this is 4 by 5, right? So answer will be 4 by 1. So numerator से multiply होगा, denominator से multiply होगा. Similarly यहाँ पे 6 times 2 by 4. तो 6 into 2 by 4 करना है, तो पहले मैं 6 by 1 करूंगा. So this will become 6 by 1 and this will become 2 by 4, right? Numerator के साथ 6 into 2 is 12. 1 into 4 is 4. This is the simplest rule that you have got, but you have to remember it. Okay. If I go down, you have to complete this exercise. You have to complete this entire exercise where you have to solve it. This part, okay, as we saw in the previous things. Now how to do the now one of the thing to always remember is जब भी word problem में off word आएगा, that means multiplication. So off word means multiplication. So 1/2 of 3 is half into 3. 5 of 3 is 5 into 3. Always remember. So if I read this question, Sunil has 30 marbles. Pradeep has half of the number of marbles that Sunil has. So half of 30 is half into, this is 2, okay, this is not 6, ये mistake है. Half into 30. This half into 30 will become 30 divided by 2. This is 15, okay. So you have to always remember, off means multiply, times means multiply. These are the two words you should remember. You have to do the same thing as we did above. So यहाँ पे half into 24, how you will do? Half into 24 by 1, then multiply the numerator and multiply the denominator. I hope this is quite easy. This is not something very difficult or rocket science, so I'm going a little quicker. Similarly here, now how to do this? This is again image wise, so you don't have to. So यहाँ पे also multiply the numerator, multiply the denominator. So 4 2s will become 8, 5 5s will become 25. Similarly, 2 2s will become 4, 5 3s will become 15. So the simple rule is that you multiply the numerator and you multiply the denominator. That's the simplest rule that we have got. If I go down, now similarly here you have to solve this. Now when I come to this section, which is mixed fractions, first you have to convert these mixed fractions. So conversion ke liye you have to remember the rules that we have seen last time, how to convert fractions. So you multiply this plus add this. So 1 into 2 plus 1 upon 2. Then both the numbers will be converted and then you will multiply and write the answer. Okay. This is how you have to do it, and then again you have to convert it into mixed fraction. This is also what we have done last time. So if you have not done the worksheets for the last time, first do that, first see those videos and then come here, because otherwise you won't understand what is going on. because all the worksheets are linked to the previous one. Okay, if you have done that, then this will be a little easier for you to understand. If I go down, how to, now this is, there is something, a word called as reciprocal. Why are we doing this is something you'll understand. What is meant by reciprocal? So if there is a fraction 3/5, uska reciprocal matlab ulta. The word reciprocal in English means ulta. 3/5 ka reciprocal is 5/3. So 3/5 into 5/3, 3 5s are 15, 5 3s is also 15. Now 15 by 15, if I divide 15 by 15, the answer is 1. So whenever a fraction is multiplied by its reciprocal, we'll always get the answer as 1. So if 8 is the number, 8 actually कैसे लिखेंगे? 8/1. उसका reciprocal क्या होगा? 1/8. So if I multiply 8/1 into 1/8, my answer will be always 1. The thing to remember is reciprocal मतलब उल्टा. 5/6 का reciprocal will be 6/5. Yeah. Now coming here, you have to first convert this mixed fraction. इसको पहले convert करना है. And फिर उसका reciprocal लिखना है. ठीक है? First you have to convert this and then convert it into a proper fraction, improper, and then write the reciprocal for it. Now let us come to divide fraction. Again, I won't spend a lot of time in images because this is something that we don't have to currently go under. Okay, to just learn key fractions, multiplication, division, addition karna kaise, that's very useful. Now how to divide? There are two methods to divide. I will tell you the easier method. Okay, एक तो, now this is the number that we have to divide. 4/5 divided by 1/3. Now, if I do 4/5 divided by 1/3, how will I do it? I will multiply 4/5 is first converted into light fractions. पहले like fractions में convert करना होगा क्योंकि अलग है, ठीक है? So this method we will not use because it's a long cut method, so I will not go in it. The easier method to do this is 4/5 divided by 1/3. ये multiplication की sign को division करने का. और division की sign को we have to change it to multiplication. So I change the divide sign to multiply, and 1/3 का reciprocal लेने का. I will again explain how to do this. So whenever this method is only useful when there is division. Okay. Now this is a division method. I will convert this division to multiplication, and 1/3 का reciprocal is 3/1. Now multiply 4/3 into 12 and 5/1 into 5. So this will be 12 upon 5. That's all, nothing else. Okay. The first rule is to convert. So if I go here, this one is solved for you. See, 7/1 into 2/5. First 7/1 division became multiplication. 2/5 will become 5/2. 7 5s are 35. 1 into 2 is 2. So 35/2. This is the easiest thing to do, is to convert the division into a multiplication. Okay. If I go down now, again here you have to again do mixed fraction है, पहले fractions को convert करना है and then उसको divide या multiply करना है. We have seen this. Now let us go into word problems. How to solve word problems. Word problems also I will again say, see, if you're understanding the method how to do is word problem or something, it's important to understand, but if you're not getting it at this point of time, it's okay. But learning and keeping in mind the method of how to solve multiplication and division is more important right now. So if I see here, a car runs 16 kilometer using 1 liter of petrol. 1 liter of petrol में वो 16 kilometer चल रहा है. How much distance will it cover if we use this much? मतलब इतना पेट्रोल यूज करके कितना किलोमीटर चलेगा? तो 1 किलोमीटर 1 लीटर से 16 किलोमीटर चला. तो अगर मेरे पास इतना पेट्रोल है तो कितना किलोमीटर चलेगा? I have to multiply, right? Of petrol, of का sum है, right? So you have to multiply. So 2/3 into 16, and again you have to same method and do it. So one difference that you have to again see multiplication division के word problems में, मल्टीप्लीकेशन में हमेशा ऐसा रहेगा, एक छोटी चीज दी रहेगी और हमें बड़ी चीज फाइंड करनी है. जैसे 5 की वैल्यू दी है और 100 की फाइंड करनी है. बट डिवीजन इज हमेशा उल्टा. डिवीजन इज हमें बड़े की वैल्यू दी जाती है और छोटे की वैल्यू फाइंड करनी होती है. कुछ कट करते हैं या कुछ डिवाइड करते हैं, हमेशा याद रखना. सो डिवीजन के वर्ड प्रॉब्लम्स हमेशा वैसे रहेंगे वेर यू हैव टू फाइंड वैल्यूज वेर इट इज फ्रॉम बिग टू स्मॉल. बड़ा बड़े लेंथ की या बड़े क्लॉथ की या बड़े रॉड की वैल्यू दी है एंड यू कट इट एंड देन छोटे की फाइंड करो. इफ यू सी हियर नाउ, a carton contains 40 boxes of nails and each box weighs this. How much would a carton of nails weigh? 40 बॉक्सेस ऑफ नेल्स है एक कार्टन में. कार्टन मतलब एक बॉक्स है, उसमें 40 बॉक्सेस है उसके अंदर जो नेल्स के भरे. एक बॉक्स इतने वेट का है. अब ये टोटल कितना होगा, क्योंकि ये एक इतने का है, तो अगर मुझे टोटल फाइंड करना है तो मैं एक तो ऐड करूंगा या फिर मैं डायरेक्टली 40 से मल्टीप्लाई करूंगा, बराबर, बिकॉज 40 बॉक्स है, राइट. right. If I come here, a wire of length इतना is cut into 10 pieces. एक वायर है इतना बड़ा, उसको 10 पीस में कट किया है. हर एक पीस का लेंथ फाइंड करना है. एक वायर इतना बड़ा, उसको 10 पीस में आप कट इट एंड हैव टू फाइंड द लेंथ ऑफ दिस. so this is sum of division. मुझे छोटी की वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है. so 12 1/2 divided by 10, then convert it, division को multiplication when convert करो and then find the answer. The cost of 6/14 kg of apples is this. At what rate per kg are apples? मतलब इतने खरीदे तो इतनी बड़ी वैल्यू आई, पर मुझे 1 kg का फाइंड करना है, राइट. इतने केजी खरीदो, 400 की वैल्यू है, 1 kg कितने वैल्यू होगा. अगेन इट्स डिवीजन, यू हैव टू डिवाइड दिस बाय दिस. The word problems for multiplication and division are little easy. You just have to understand कि बड़ा दिया है और छोटा फाइंड करना है कि छोटा दिया और बड़ा फाइंड करना है. Then it will be easier for you to do it. Okay. So again, a longer worksheet, but I hope you are able to do this sums. Okay. Yeah. So thank you.